Hey guys, so I wanted to make a video to show you guys how I make my graphics using a few apps on my phone. So I have the iPhone, and I don't know if all these apps that I'm using are on the for Android, but this is what I use. So I have all my apps in one little section here. So the one that I use the most is called Word Swag. I also use Layout for collages. I like Layout because it does not have like any borders. So I'm just gonna show you really quick. I don't have any photos here. Let's say these two photos I'm gonna select. I like that there's no borders, and you could adjust the size of the picture and use this option to like choose another photo. If you don't want that one, you can switch it out to something else. These are just photos that were just on my camera roll right now, are my latest photos, but I just wanted to show you how that worked. I really like this app right here for, like I said, collages. I also use the Magic Eraser app. So this is to take away like a background. So I use that a lot for, this is the free version, so it comes up with ads, so I didn't buy it. But if you don't want the ads, you can buy the app, which I don't know how much it is, but you have that option to buy it. So as far as product graphics, so I'm gonna grab a graphic or a product graphic from, let's say I want to use this. So what I do is I screenshot it. I guess depending on your phone, you'll have to figure that out. But on my phone, it's the top, the volume. When you raise the volume, and then this button here, you just push them together at the same time, and it screenshots it. So I'm just going to crop that off. Done, save. And then I'm gonna go to the Magic Eraser, grab that photo. It lets you, size it, but I always keep it on, custom. And then it removes the background. So this tool here is called, it's a little wand here. So it removes like anything of the same color. So as you can see, since there's a white part coming off on the side, it removed the white from the from this part right here. So we don't want that. So I'm gonna go back, go to this arrow, go back, and I'm just going to use my finger. I'm going to grab this little eraser tool. So this is where you could use your finger to erase. So I'm going to erase that part right there. I'm going to try to get it to look nice, okay? Be as precise as possible. That's still kind of crooked. Okay, so hopefully when I do use this tool again, it's not going to remove that white right there. See, so the white is now there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this, use this little up arrow here, and I'm going to save it as a transparent background. So there's not going to be a white background, and you can put it over, overlay it over any photo. So I'm going to click on that, and always make sure it's on high resolution. We don't want anything blurry. And then I'm going to go to Word Swag, okay? So this app is a paid version. I believe it's $3.99. They do have a free version, but the free version, I don't think it has like as many fonts and like backgrounds that you could use. So here they have free photos that you could use, or you could just grab a photo from your camera roll. I'm going to use my favorite. If you know my graphics, you know that I always love using this background for a lot of my graphics. And it's this one here, pretty clear one. And I usually keep my graphics like a square. It's already a square right now, but if you want to change the sizing of it, there's options. There's IG story options. There's frame options. But I usually just keep mine square. So I'm going to hit next. And here it gives you a text box for whatever text you want to put. So we're going to put, I'm going to double tap it. Why is it not working? Okay, so I'm going to put be fit. And I want this one font style, so I'm gonna just put BFit for now. I'm gonna choose my style. So a lot of my graphics, I like to use a crisp apple. Like I said, I don't know if these specific fonts are on the free version, but this is the paid version. And then for tinted moisturizer, I'm gonna use a different font just to make it, you know, a little different. So you hit the plus button, and that's what, you know, that's where you get the new text box. And for this font, I'm going to use Luna. Looks nice and simple. And then from these options down here, you can select what style or position that the words are. So you have to go through them and see pick out which one you like. So if you want to go to the next option, you click these little dice here, and kind of like how it looks like that. BFit Tinted Moisturizer. Okay, so I have a love-hate relationship about this app because I love the fonts. I love that you can, you know, select the colors of whatever font you want. If you want to change the color, I'm just going to keep mine black. You could also choose a specific color from here. And like I said, you could change different styles and stuff like that. And you can also change the background, the photo, like color. So if you want to like pick one of these, it changes the color. So I think this app is really cool for that. But the thing that really annoys me is when you want to place an image over on top of this. So like I said, we have used the tinted moisturizer. We want to put that on here, the image of that. But what you have to do in order to get that image on here is save it, which I don't understand why they have it this way. They've had it this way for years and still have not fixed it. So you have to save it. It's going to save to your camera roll. You're going to click close, and from here you're going to go to add your logo. So it doesn't have to be specifically a logo, it could be any image you want. So new logo, got it. Now you're going to go to your camera roll, and the transparent background is the one that's saved last, and you get to resize it. So if you like pinch your fingers in and out, it resizes it. You could move it side to side and move it wherever you want. Okay, this is just an example. I'm not going to use this graphic. I actually do need to make a graphic with this foundation, but I'm going to put some more information on the side here, which I'm not going to do right now. So this is just an example. So then you save that. Let's say I want to keep that there. You save it and go to your camera roll. And as you can see, it saved, you know, for us to get this image, it saved this to our camera roll, which I really don't like because I have to go back and delete it because I'm not going to use that. But anyways, let's go back here. If you do want to add your logo, you can go ahead and do that here. So I have my logo saved in an album. So on my phone, let's say I want to, these have transparent backgrounds. So I'm going to save these to my album here. So on my phone, I have this little arrow here, and you can add to an album. So if you want to create a new album, you name it here. But I already have an album that I have all my Farmasi product PNGs, which are transparent backgrounds, and I'm adding it to that. So I don't have to like always go back and look through all my camera roll. Look how many pictures I have, almost 10,000. So I would try my best to keep all my stuff organized, so that I don't have to search through everything. So anyways, what was I gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna look for my logo. So I'm gonna go to new logo because I want to put my logo on there, and I'm gonna go to the folder that I titled logos. Where is it? Somewhere at the bottom. I have so many folders. And I'm gonna choose this one here. This is graphic, so you could, you know, place your logo wherever you want. And then I like here that you can lower the transparency or the opacity. So a lot of the times I lower it either to here, doesn't matter, and then save. So again, you're gonna have another photo, you know, that you saved, the one with the logo. So like I said, this is a bunch of like wasted images that, you know, this app is making you do. But like I said, I have a love-hate relationship for this app, but I really like it because of the cute fonts and the different style options that they give you. So let's see, I think that's all for now. I also use the Avery, what is it called? This app here for like if I want to change the lighting or the shade of an image. I'm trying to find a photo of myself. Let's do this one. I had screenshotted this for something. So then I like this to adjust the brightness. I think this was probably a free app. I like to adjust the warmth too on a lot of my photos, just a little bit down. And then vibrance. So I like using this for a lot of my photos actually. That's a good app to have. Okay, so I have another, I've been taking a lot of like flat lay graphics. So I'm going to show you how I did this one here. So what I did is I got this little cute little furry mat from Amazon. I'm going to take more photography photos of products. So I placed this on the mat, and look how cute it came out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. Oops, not that. I'm going to grab this photo. So I'm going to go back and grab this photo from my camera roll. Okay, so as if you took a photo of something, and if you want to add a title or pricing, stuff like that. So I'm going to go to next. I don't need to, and it already saved what I had on there before, so you could just click on it and delete whatever, or you could just change it from there. So I'm going to put Peach Bite. Oops. So I'm going to have this one font style, and I like to use this one a lot here. What is it called? I can't even understand. Modern Script. And I'm going to pick the style where it's just side by side, or the option where it's side by side, and I'm going to place it here in the middle. And I'm going to go to color, and I really liked this one here. It's like a peachy color. Okay, so I like this app because it shows you like where the center is. It stops you and it shows you where the center of the wording is. So I like that it does that. And then I'm going to get another text box. So if you want, a lot of the time, like sometimes I need like a shading behind on the font or the wording. So if I want to do shading, I grab, when you push the plus sign, it does like, it copies the last you know, style that you're on. So I put that over. I make sure it's black, and then I tap it, and when you tap it, it makes it go to the back. So if you want to put a shade, that's an option to do that, which I didn't use in the original one that I made, but I just wanted to show you how you could put a photo in the back. A shadow in the background of the text. So then I'm gonna get another text box, and I'm gonna put 3 and 1 and 1. And I'm going to choose, I'm trying to remember, this one. This is the one that I use. So this style classic cover is what I use at the bottom. I'm going to make it smaller. There, 1, and then base palette. Like that. And then make this, I use the option where it's side by side. Make that a little bigger. And then if you want to put the price, $19.90. You don't have to put the price, whatever you prefer. And I put that here. I think I did this one with that style font. So this style font, when it's really tiny, it's really thin and kind of hard to see. So what I did is I just added another layer over it to make it a little bit, you know, easier to read. So that's pretty much done, and then you save it. And if you want to add your logo, it does save your whatever logo that you placed previously, it does save it. So I'm going to use the same logo as last time, and I'll just put that wherever I want it. You could change up the transparency if you want, but I'm going to leave it like that. I already had put my logo on the original photo there, so I just want to show you guys again. And save. But yeah, that's it. I think that's it as far as like graphics. I am gonna make another video of how I create my makeup videos and how to set them up, and like you can fast forward, you can speed it up and stuff like that. So I use Video Shop for that, but I'll do another video for that. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know, and I'll be happy to answer them. But yeah, hope y'all have a good day, and I will see y'all later. Bye.